When you're finished brewing, wash all parts by hand in warm, soapy water. Open the tap and run warm water through the brew jar until the tap is empty. Dry all parts thoroughly with a soft cloth. For a deeper cleaning, push the clasp to release the bottom of the brew jar. Gently loosen the hose nozzle from both ends and remove from the base. Twist and remove the wrench and remove the coffee drain. Using the wrench as a tool, loosen and remove the tap. Wash all parts by hand in warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Reassemble your cold brew coffee maker by first securing the tap using the wrench tool. Then, replace the coffee drain, making sure the seal is in place, and reattach the wrench tool to secure the drain. Connect the hose from the drain to the tap, and replace the bottom of the brew jar. The Cold Brew Coffee Maker from KitchenAid.